Sho mfa thengo lwasesibheke mesha sathi ready thoba ngando to sibongela ukhuzana indlela phezulu umpungose umfana wali enkandla emandaba ukhuzana ezinganda botho sindiqamba manga umfana osebenza ngokukhulu ukuzikhandla zinanzo kwethu sekushoda indawo lapha kaMpungose ukuthi indondo zikuzodlala le because wow it's amazing man, it's amazing man. Ndlela ukhuzana wena ngawona indondo pheshe wena kahle kahle yabona mekukhuluma ngomuntu oyi-overachiever ukhuzana se-achieve konke esikhuluma nje unomakoti ohlele ekhaya uyamphelela nice, everything is good, everything is just fine, ama-branding alena. So bafethu, with all due respect, let's honor, let's do the thing, let's honor ukhuzana. Kanzi ukuthi asimbukana kakhulu ukhuzana ngokuhlabana nge-best maskandi artist achievement leyo enkulu kakhulu zinganza kwethu leyo. So we gotta celebrate. Congratulations ama-Blue Nation. Sensazi ukuthi sizwe isikhulu leso esivote ngokukhulu ukuzimisela lokhu. So zinganza kwethu it is what it is. Ukhuzana ohlabane ngayo indondo wabuya na iphila. Congratulations again and again and again. Bumos.